Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're building your website on Wix and wondering how to change your homepage to a different page, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you step by step through the process of updating your homepage in the Wix editor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set any page as your homepage, giving your site visitors the experience you want them to have right when they land on your site. So let's jump right in. First off, we're inside the Wix editor. You'll notice that by default, Wix sets a homepage for you. Usually it's whatever page you first created. But maybe you've designed a gorgeous new section, like a travel page, and now you want that to be the very first thing people see. No worries, Wix makes it pretty simple. On the left side of your editor, you'll find the Pages menu. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a list of all the pages that are currently on your site. Each page will be listed by name, and you might recognize the one that's currently your homepage because it has a small house icon next to it. This icon's your little visual cue. It tells you which page is set as the homepage right now. Let's say you want to change your homepage to the travel page instead. Find travel in your list of pages. Sometimes you might have quite a few pages here, especially as your site grows, maybe about us, blog, gallery, and so on. Just scroll through and click on the page you have in mind. When you hover over or click the name of the page, you'll notice three little dots pop up. These are usually called the More Options menu. Click on those three dots to bring up a list of additional actions you can do with this page. One of these options will say Set as Homepage. Go ahead and click that. You might notice a small change right away. The house icon jumps from your old homepage over to the travel page. That's how you know your change has been saved. It's now officially your homepage. So whenever someone visits your website's main address, they'll be greeted with your travel page first. This is helpful if, for example, your business focus has shifted or you're running a new promotion and want people to see that right away. It's also great if you're rebranding or just want to freshen up your visitors' first impression. If you don't see the change right away on your published site, just give it a moment or try refreshing your browser. In some cases, you might need to hit the Publish button at the top right of your editor to make those updates go live for everyone. And that's all there is to it, pretty straightforward. But sometimes the small things can make a huge difference in your site's performance and how visitors interact with your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any trouble, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Wix tips and website building tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.